Sup guys, it's Jakiri again, back with another video. We're video number 11 at this point. If you don't know who I am, go look at my channel description, go take a look at my previous videos, leave a comment, like, subscribe. It really helps me get recommended to be able to put out more content. So in a previous video, I talked about WGU, me enrolling back into college, why I wanted to roll back into college, and I just want to give you guys a quick video on WGU, and maybe some information that I put out here will help you guys get started. So before we get started, I just want to weigh in on the debate. Do you need or do you not need college to break into IT? And you do not need college to break into IT. In fact, you can have a long, sustainable career without a college degree in IT. Now, there's a caveat to that. You at some point will hit a ceiling within IT if you don't have a college degree. Like if you're trying to get in a program manager, director, or CISO position, you'll probably need a college degree. Most of those people have college degrees and they have a ton of experience. So to not get overlooked, you'll probably want a college degree. But I know people with 20, 30 years of IT experience and no college degree. So you don't need a college degree to get started. What you do need is hands-on experience and certifications. But college degree, no. Myself, if you haven't seen that previous video, I wanted to enroll back into college because I do want to be in a managerial position. I do want to be able to be in a director or a CISO position in my 20, 30 year, span at some point. I do want that role. So I just decided, hey, why not? Why not go ahead and finish up what I started? So yeah, I chose WGU, also known as Western Governors University. It is an online accredited university. It is affordable. It is competency based. So as you may be familiar with the traditional university that takes 4 years. This university is 6-month terms. So you can complete as many courses as you like within that 6-month term. So I know people that completed a college degree in 2 months, 6 months, a year. They probably have a lot of experience in IT already, but that's the amount of time that it took them. So they don't have to wait to that 4 years just to get certified in something that they already know how to do. And I like that. I like that a lot. So if you like that, definitely take a look at their website, wgu.edu, and you will be able to learn a lot about them. So yeah, this is their site, wgu.edu. They pride themselves on being unconventional. They pride themselves on being affordable. They pride themselves on being able to promote a healthy work-life balance as well as accelerating degree programs for their students. Yeah, so go ahead, take a look at their site, look around, give them a contact, chat with them, give them a call, email them, whatever you have to do to just get some more information. But yeah, wgu.edu is their site. So degree programs at WGU. We have different disciplines like business, education, health. But because I am in IT, this is a tech channel, we're going to focus on the IT portion right now. So you have IT management, information technology. You have a bachelor's and master's degree program combined together that encompasses information technology degree, cloud computing, computer science, network engineering, software engineering, cybersecurity, and information assurance. That's my degree plan. Data analytics for degree programs here at WGU. So I like the fact that they do have all of these different disciplines or different degree programs for a bachelor's in the School of IT. There's something I want to note though, when you're applying to jobs in IT, if they do require a bachelor's degree, a lot of them just want to see that you have some sort of IT discipline. So it doesn't matter which one that you choose. A lot of them will just say just a bachelor's of information technology or something similar in the job description. So I chose cybersecurity and information assurance just because that's what I do now. It's what I've been doing for the past 3 years, and that's what I want to continue doing. So I just went ahead and chose cybersecurity and information assurance. All right, so let's touch on the tuition. So the average tuition for a 6-month term here at WGU is actually increased as of last month, but it's still affordable. My degree plan degree program is $4,265, plus $200 for the books and $150 program fee. For cloud computing, computer science, software engineering, it's $39.85. Information technology, $36.25. Analytics and network engineering and security is $37.35, and then so forth here. But it seems like on average between $3,600 and $4,300 a month, or sorry, $4,200 every 6 months, you're able to get an affordable tuition rate. I think the average tuition anywhere else may be like $12,000 to $22,000 or maybe $36,000 a year, but this is really affordable. Me, myself, I am using post 9/11 benefits because I am a veteran, so that's how I pay for my tuition. But they have payment plans. WGU has a $5,000 scholarship. They take the Montgomery GI Bill. They take VR&E. So you have different ways to pay for this, as well as doing the FAFSA or Pell Grant. So you can fill out that application and get financial aid as well from the grants. So it's really affordable though. Like, look at these numbers. Like, it's affordable. You can do this, or anybody can do this. So Western Governors University is $29,000 based on a 4-year program. Taking the comparison between other programs, $39,000, $39,000, $47,000, $58,000, $61,000. So that's pretty interesting. That's pretty interesting. And like I said, it may not take you 4 years to complete this degree. Maybe it'll take you 6 months, or maybe it'll take you a year. So with that, you're only really paying for that 6 months or for that year, but you have all of that coursework that you completed within that amount of time. So it's really good. I think it's affordable, and I think that's the really dope part about it. Okay. So like I said, it is competency based. It's competency based. They pride themselves on being competency based. And another thing I like about it is the fact that while I'm completing this degree program, I'm able to get IT certifications based on the coursework that I'm completing. So the coursework in the degree program is the coursework that you're going to be learning if you're going out and take that IT certification on your own. So A+ material coursework is included in my degree program, or SSCP coursework is included in my degree program. So it's a total of 15 certifications in this program. So by the time I get finished with this program, I will have 15 certifications. Now, what's going to happen is once I test out for it, once I complete the coursework, they're going to give me a voucher where I can go to maybe Pearson VUE and take an exam for the coursework that I just completed at WGU. So by the time I'm done, I'll have 15 certifications. And that's before I get my degree. So maybe I take an A+ exam this term, but I still have, another term or two to go. I still have that A+ certification. So I can use that. And if I'm just trying to break into IT, or if I'm trying to get to that next step in IT, I can just, say I have this certification, though I'm not completely done with my degree program. So I think that's really nice. I think that's really dope. It says on average, 70% of students will finish this degree program in about 32 months. Me, myself, I won't be taking 32 months to complete it, but that's the average for this specific degree. These are the types of courses that you will be taking for this degree program. Secure systems analysis and design, business of IT, operating systems, network and security, IT fundamentals, scripting and programming, pen testing, risk management, web and cloud security, just general education courses, networks, wireless and mobile technologies, blah, 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 blah. So let's take a look at my actual degree program, or my actual degree plan. Okay. So right now I am enrolled in 5 courses for this term. And right now I'm just finishing up critical thinking, reasoning, and evidence. And I mean, that's been cool. I haven't really taken a course like that before. I haven't really thought about this topic before. So it's taken me a little longer than expected. But I imagine like when I get to like intro to IT foundations, IT applications, that I'll be good to go. I'll be in a really good spot, and I'll be able to speed up my pace a little bit faster. But these are the chosen courses that I have to complete to get my degree. Goal date of graduation between April 1st and September 30th to 2027. Like I said, it won't take me that long at all. For example, like I have to move 2 of these courses up to be able to get that full-time credit for post 9/11 benefits. So full-time considered at WGU is 12, but if you're getting post 9/11 benefits working with the VA, it is 18 CU. So I'll end up moving 2 of these courses up and then have to move another 2 up and then another 2 to be able to meet that 18 CU requirement. Just another tip about that, if you are a veteran, I highly suggest maybe either going with the Montgomery GI Bill or the VR&E if you're using WGU. Only reason I say that is because Montgomery, it's higher payment. The money is given directly to you, and then you just pay the school. And for the VR&E, if you use your VR&E correctly, you have to have a disability rating, I think like 10%. But if you have that, go ahead and enroll in VR&E, get the benefits, and let them pay for the school for WGU. They do accept it. And then once you're done with that, you're able to use your post 9/11 benefits as well. So in essence, you can have maybe 7, 8 years of school paid for if you do it right. So I wish I would have done it that way because I do have a disability rating, but it's fine now. It's probably not even going to take me that long to be able to complete this. And then I'll have more benefits I can use maybe for a master's or something if I choose to go back. But for anybody else, that is a tip. I would definitely say use VR&E benefits first. So I chose WGU only because I'm able to complete my degree while I work. So I do have a full-time job and I'm able to get certifications. It's all online. I don't have to go to a discussion board. I don't have due dates on assignments. I don't have to worry about a professor hounding me down for this or a paper for that. It's literally on my time. My learning and my schedule is on my time. And I really need that. I really like that because I want to complete my degree, but I don't like the traditional brick and mortar setup. So that's why I chose WGU. And like I said, I do want to be in a managerial position in the next 5 years. So to be able to do that, to be able to put myself in position for that, I want to be able to appeal to the hiring managers or a company, as well as experience trumps all, most definitely. But what'll be the difference between me and the next person? This person has a degree, but we both have 10 years of experience with the same amount of experience, doing the same thing. But the person has a degree. Sometimes that can be a decision maker for some people. So it's really just a notch on the belt, for me. I weigh get degree or no get degree. I weigh them the same. That either one has any bearing on me, but because I do want that, and I wanted to be in a managerial or director position in the coming years. I want to just make sure I'm covered. All of my T's are crossed and my I's are dotted, and I'm good to go there. In addition to me having a full-time job, I'm not going to lie, this has been a lot. This has been a lot on myself only because just trying to find a schedule. I've only been doing this for about 3 weeks now, getting back into school and a full-time job. I haven't done that since like 2018. So it's been new. It's been a lot, but I like the burn of it. I like the pressure. I like learning. I like being able to go in there. Okay, I know this. I already know that. And, just being able to just go ahead and knock that off my list. So I definitely am able to develop a better schedule now because maybe I could do 2 hours of work in the beginning of the day and then 2 hours of work at the end of the day. So get some work in before I start work, then I do work, and then I got 2 hours after that. And then I have the rest of my evening to kind of just wind down and prepare for the next day and get started. But with a full-time job, it has been a lot. So yeah, that's WGU. That's why I chose WGU. If you're interested in WGU, I highly admit going to their website. I'll put it down there as well. Go to their website, give them a call, contact them, send them an email, and it never hurts to just get your questions answered at least. And if you're trying to break into IT, you don't need WGU to break into IT. You can get started today. If you want to know how to get started today, go look at my other videos. Go look at my previous videos. I'll teach you how to get started today. I'll tell you exactly what you need to do to get started today. College degree is just, like I said, another notch on the belt. And if you're at that point in your career where you've hit that ceiling and you're trying to advance to the next level, this will help you. But what trumps all? Certifications and hands-on experience. That's what you're going to want. And yeah, I hope the information that I put out here today will help you get started. I hope that it will help you advance to that next level in your career. So if you liked any of the content I put out here today, leave me a comment below, click the like button, click the subscribe button. It really helps me get recommended and I'm able to put out more content for you guys. So yeah, that's WGU. And yeah, peace.